Hey guys, this is Ty. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and myself and Israel, I'm going to be riding the Street Glide. He's going to be on this BMW, and we're going to ride the Foothills Parkway, and I'd like for you to come with us, so stick around. There we go. I do like that helmet, man. That's cool, you know?
Yeah, I like being able to flip it up with that, and it's got like I said, I feel like a fighter pilot.
Nice. Hey guys, this is Ty from Tennessee, and welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned, we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and so I wanted to give you a little bit of background on what's going on this afternoon or this morning before we get to the Foothills Parkway. So every year my wife has this weekend getaway that she does with some of her childhood best friends, and they call it the Treat Yourself getaway, or Treat Yourself weekend.
3 words for you: treat yourself. Once a year, Donna and I spend a day treating ourselves. What do we treat ourselves to?
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
It's the best day of the year.
The best day of the year!
So this year, the spouses were invited. So myself and a couple other dudes, we're all just kind of hanging out. The girls decided to go to the spa today, and Israel and I did not want to do that. So we brought the bike and he brought his, and so today we're getting away, going to do a little bit of riding. So if you've never been to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, I would highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of things to do. If you're a motorcyclist, tons of riding, lots of great roads and that type of thing. But man, I tell you what, watch it if you come on the weekends. This place gets really super crowded. I mean, your best bet is to do like a Monday through Thursday type of thing. I don't know, the weekends are just nuts around here. Traffic is horrendous. I don't know if you guys can see it, but off to my left there's a little stream that runs the whole way of this tree line. It's got some beautiful scenery. Maybe in the next video or two we'll go down there and take a look at it. It's really pretty. Tunnel ahead. You know what's better than motorcycles and a tunnel? Not much. Rev bomb. That was nice. All right, so right now we're cruising down Wares Valley Road, which should lead us to the Foothills Parkway. I think there's some signs up. It's been a while since I've been down this way, so that is where we are heading. All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are turning in to the entrance of the Foothills Parkway. Great riding up here. Israel is here we are, the Foothills Parkway. Toot toot. It's been, I don't know, maybe a year or so since I've been up here. Look at that. Oh, did you see my phone ringing? That was my brother-in-law. There's no telling what he wants. He's probably looking for his sister. But anyway, the last time I think I came up here was with a buddy of mine, Eric, and we were really just passing through. We were just using this to get from, you know, point A to point B, that type of thing. And but it's such a beautiful road. And my point for today is really just to kind of kick back and enjoy it, not take it too quickly, just have a nice relaxing ride. In many areas of the Foothills Parkway, it reminds me a lot of the Cherahalla Skyway. You know, you've got these long sweeping turns, like some of these, you know, that sign just said 25 miles per hour. You could probably take it a little quicker than that. But these long sweeping turns are so nice on a motorcycle. As the same with the Cherahalla Skyway, you know, versus the Dragon, you've got all these hairpin turns and these switchbacks. Sometimes those are no fun for me. But this road is just absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if I've mentioned it, but this is probably my second favorite stretch of road behind the Cherahalla Skyway. Just going at a nice, leisurely, Bob Ross type of pace here.
Let's paint several little happy trees and push. Look at there.
All right, well, after a quick little pit stop, one of the overlooks, yeah, we're just back on the road. And from my understanding, there's a new section and an old section of the Foothills Parkway. Right now, we're still on the new section, but we should be closing in pretty soon on the old section. I've rode a little bit of that in the past, not a whole heck of a lot of it. But we are going to probably just do we're probably just going to do a few miles on the old section, see what it's like, and maybe find another place to go to. Yeah, I don't know if you could tell on video, but definitely being here, you can tell the pavement on the old section here feels a little rougher, not as new and that type of thing. So this is definitely the older section of the Foothills Parkway. And from what I have heard and what I've seen, it is absolutely beautiful. I love the way the scenery changes too on the Foothills Parkway. It's like one moment you're you know, way up high and you've got clearings on both sides of you and you can see the skies and it's beautiful views, and then in another moment you're surrounded by this tunnel of trees and greenery. It's just beautiful the way that it changes up and holds your attention just by what's going on around you, just by the nature around you. It's really, really nice. So beautiful. Well, guys, in the comments below, let me know what you think. If you've ever ridden on the Foothills Parkway, if you plan to ride on the Foothills Parkway, and when you're going to be in the area. I'd like to know that. That'd be interesting to hear. So if you guys would please like this video, comment and share. You can even subscribe to the channel. That would just be awesome. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.